Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to install and configure unMineable miner with PhoenixMiner. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video I will step by step guide you how to install and configure the unMineable miner on your Windows PC with PhoenixMiner. So guys, if you are mining any cryptocurrency, so I recommend you to use the unMineable miner, because unMineable miner is the fastest and easiest way to mine mineable and some non-mineable coins and tokens inside your PC with free. So guys, here is the unmineable.com. You can see there are bundles of coins is available that you can mine using the unMineable miner. So guys, I will show you how to download the unMineable miner. Coming to the get started window, here you can see that there are two separate versions. The first one is MA5 version and the second one is base version. So simply how you can download this, simply clicking on these options, you will be able to download the application of unMineable miner. There is the change log. You can see 1.7.0 beta. This update is current update. You can see the T-Rex and edit fire proof of work support bug fixes, and there are the other MA5 version. Guys, if you don't know how to download and install the MA5 version, come here and type simply unMineable. Press enter. Here you can see there are the methods how to install and configure the unMineable miner with LOL miner, how to download and install unMineable miner MA5 version on any Windows PC. There are the four methods that you can see here. So guys, coming back to the unmineable.com, simply you can use any of the version of unMineable miner. So simply click on the download. So guys, as I've already downloaded the unMineable miner, simply I will go to the desktop. Here is the unMineable miner, the latest version. Simply I will open this. So here is the MA5 version. So simply I will double click on this to launch the installation process. Guys, here is you can see anyone who uses this computer, all users, and only for me Intocrypto. Simply I will leave it as a default. So click on the next option. Here you can select the destination folder. So again I will leave it as a default. So click on the install. So the installation process will take some time, so wait for it until it should be installed on your Windows PC. Guys, here is the unMineable miner successfully installed, and there is the MA5 version. Simply click on the finish option to launch the unMineable. Guys, there is the unMineable, the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite unMineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue option. Here you can select your mining hardware, whether you are using GPU or CPU, so it depends on you. So simply I will select the PhoenixMiner here. So again, here coming back to the next option, here you can see there is update miner your file location. So click on this option. Here you have to download the PhoenixMiner here. So simply click on the PhoenixMiner to open the Phoenix file here. There is you can see PhoenixMiners that you can check any of this. So simply I will download the Windows zip. There is you can see that the latest version is available here. So simply I will download this version. Click on this. Click on start download. So guys, you can see the actual size of this one is also 5.157 MB. So simply click on the open folder. Now move it to the desktop. Simply right click on the WinRAR and click on extract to PhoenixMiner. Once you are done, simply go to the unMineable miner. Simply click on the folder icon. Here go to the desktop, select the PhoenixMiner. Again go to this and select the PhoenixMiner here. So guys, you will be using it cache 3 GB of VRAM. Change the setting. You can change the setting here. So if you don't want, simply you can come here and change any of the setting. You can select your mining intensity as a high or low or custom setting here. So simply if you want to make any changes, simply click on the save option. Again guys, here you can see that the next option is appear. So click on the next option. Here you can see that there are the coins and tokens that you can mine using the unmineable miner. Simply, if you want to mine any of the coin, simply select that, enter the wallet address and click on start. It will start the mining perfectly on your Windows PC. So guys, it was the way how to install and configure the unmineable miner with the PhoenixMiner. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.